Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel Tour with us. We are all set to explore Ladakh, and today our destination is Hunter via Khardungla Pass. It's 7:30 in the morning and we came down for our breakfast, and Shubhendu is getting ready with his bike. Some, what do you call it? Oil spray, na? Yesterday our bike was cleaned and now this final step. It's done. Now we are all set to go, and let's have breakfast and then we'll start our journey.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে দাঁড়াও হ্যাঁ বসো 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 নিতে পারবে এটা Hello guys, so we are now heading towards Nubra, and today's weather, it seems to be rainy, not sure. Now the expected time is showing 11:54 and 123 kilometer. सीधा ना सीधा ठीक Khardungla Leh Road ये वाला रास्ता Sir? Namaskar.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Huh, sir?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No,
Bangalore,
Bangalore.
Karnataka.
No Kannada.
No Kannada.
Actually, we are coming from Bangalore only.
Okay.
We stay in Assam.
Okay. I just want to check your
Pass.
RC, not the
Oh.
pass. The bike RC and your ID.
Okay.
Hope it's your own.
Oh,
The bike is your own, right?
yeah, my bag.
Just need to check, sir.
Okay. So, sir, how is the climate?
It seems like it should be snowing over there. When it's raining over here,
Huh.
over there it should be snowing.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
bye.
Zulay. You are on the highest motorable road. So they are checking here that whether you are owning this particular bike or not, or you are renting it for now.
Phone bag ढुकी थी.
So guys, it's raining today and I'm expecting snowfall, because down also they told that you might get snow up. Yeah, we have to go that side, way long that side already. Khardungla 29 kilometer, Ganglas 1 kilometer. So first we would be reaching South Kulu and then Khardungla and then North Kulu. So we didn't reach till now Khardungla, but this is the first snowfall what we have encountered in the month of July. And check this area. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
These are snowflakes, but I believe, see,
Don't know, camera will capture it or not.
I'm not sure camera will capture it or not.
We are in between clouds.
We are in between clouds. Chalo, we'll catch you up there, up. We reached Khardungla and it's snowing here. Man, it's snowing. Check this out. And this is Tour With Us reaching the world's highest motorable road. This is the mighty Khardungla. How are you feeling?
Snowfall
We have encountered snowfall. What we can
in the month of mid of July.
in the middle of July. You can keep your bags here.
I can put a bed here, no? Take it, no?
How you guys can imagine in the month of July we are encountering snowfall, and this is snowfall. And those are kala kala snow.
Hey guys, we are in between heavy snowfall. See our bike. Completely white in 5 minutes. See. And it is extremely cold.
And now check this area.
Full of snow.
Are you happy?
Yes. Ladakh आने की चल रही है.
So Khardungla is that side. We are now exiting the Khardungla, and just exiting the Khardungla you will
No, that's too much.
So we are now at North Pulu, and we crossed Khardungla, and it was snowing heavily. And it was really very cold, snowing, and I don't know what to say. We just came down, and I just wanted to share something. So, sir,
मेरा नाम है वैभव वनगे. मेरे को स्लिप डिस्क है, लेकिन एक सपना था, वो सपना पूरा कर लिया मेरे को. आज डांस करके आया हूँ मैं टॉप पे, वर्ल्ड के टॉप पे. खुद का थंडरबर्ड लेके घर से निकल के आया हूँ. और इन दोनों ने मेरे को कंटिन्यू एक काका काका बोल के एकदम चेयरअप किया. और मेरा बैग भी ये लोग रख रहे हैं गाड़ी पे टोटल, और कुछ भी गुस्सा नहीं हो रहे, टोटल हेल्प कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
मैं इसल कौशिक, मैं 57 इयर्स का हूँ. ये मेरा सेकंड विजिट है और फर्स्ट टाइम मैं स्नोफॉल देखा है लाइव का. ये हमारे साहब है, वो 66 इयर्स के.
राजीव दोषी 65. It was a dream ride. I am enjoying it. Thank you.
thanks sir. Sir, please.
मेरा है 7वीं बार है लद्दाख का, लेकिन 7वीं बार में पहली बार स्नोफॉल मुझे मिला है. आप 7वीं बार में पहली बार स्नोफॉल मिला है. बहुत मजा है.
Great, sir. Great. And sir, what's your age?
37.
37. Great.
37. I love 45. हेलो. इन्होंने मेरे को बहुत बीच में हेल्प किया. वहाँ मतलब मैं इसके ऊपर नहीं बता सकता क्या क्या हेल्प किया. हैंड ग्लोव्स पहनाया, सब कुछ किया. थैंक्स.
So it's my pleasure. So this is a great inspiration for each and every individual out of the world, and I am really feeling very energetic now after seeing so many people enjoying. So in this particular North Pulu, we drank coffee, tea, kawa, and one more thing which I cannot say. and here enjoying a lot. And also Maggie, paratha. I didn't eat paratha, but yeah, it's a great feeling. It was snowing, riding on the snow was a big achievement for me, and really it was very energetic, and I'm really feeling now great excitement that if such people can do, then definitely we can also do it. So guys, cheers to that.
We are at South Pulu now, and rain and snowfall stopped finally. See the view. And see this snow-covered mountain. Looks awesome. Now we are heading towards Nubra, and let's start.